This message is for Governor of Enugu State and the Governor of Ebony State, Governor Peter and the Governor Francis. Governor Francis, I saw your action. How Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, came to your state where the governor slaughter Christians, slaughter Igbo Christians, enter inside church, open fire, slaughter people. 2nd of this month, February 2025, and you couldn't take any action. Governor Francis, Ebony do not capable to protect Ebony people, make a resign. Konye do capable sit on that throne. You hear what I tell you? Ebony fight inside security network, he fight IPOP, he fight sit at home, he fight biafra. All of you go send jet fighter, then go bomb innocent houses, destroy people's, killing innocent youth, arresting innocent people under the name of their biafra and IPOP. But look at what happened. I'm coming for Governor Peter. Yes, I'm coming for Governor Peter Mba. Governor Peter Mba, he will end me. But you go everywhere in Enugu State in a fight in the Biafra fight there, sit at home. Amufi, since how many months? Some of the people in that village run away. They know they for their hometown because of Fulani herdsmen. We couldn't do anything. Open I fight in the IPOP now. You'll be sending you'll be sending soldiers everywhere. But Amufi, some of people on our bank, some people wait there for that village, don't leave their village long. Somebody where even they Ghana, they call me on phone, telling me, please, you want to buy land in Anambra State. Her mama there for that village. You want her mama to come out. All of them don't. Almost all of them don't come out from that place because they are not safe. People in Ayamufi are not safe. Fulani herdsmen are tormenting these people for how many months now, years now. And you, Governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mba, you couldn't take any action to stop them. If not to fight against it at home, when I go send more tanker, what in the column, this jet fighter and all this motor damage, you people will be linking it. Helicopter will be flying everywhere, looking for the place where they go bomb. But they are slaughtering your people. They are slaughtering your people in Ayamufi. Also, you couldn't take any action. It's a very shameful thing to you Eastern governors. Obian and Kendo Fulani, when I go keep quiet, because no Fulani, they are the one that controlling this country. And all of you know. Obuna and Igbo, like if you send Eastern Security, IPOP, go to Kaduna, then go bomb mosque, kill everybody waiting for mosque. Just keep people from that place. By now, all the Igbos waiting for Kaduna go alone. If you say now, this is where they are talking about Fulani herdsmen, Igbo herdsmen. Now on the Igbo, if you say now Igbo go commit this kind of crime, where Fulani commit in Ebony State, if you say now Igbo go commit this thing in this place, in Kaduna, now everywhere will be on fire. Then go to slaughter innocent Igbo everywhere. Their governor will stand up to condemn it. Their governor will even stand up to say, they will even fight to stop these people. They even try their best to kill their Igbos in Kaduna. But look at what happened. I'm not telling you to go and kill innocent Fulani or innocent Hausa people. No. You people are supposed to do the right thing. When they cover, when no one talk. Governor Francis, why can't you stand up as a governor? Condemn this thing where Fulani people do. So when they tell me, when I don't know the sponsor of this thing, when I know, okay, who people they tell me, but when I know the sponsor of Biafra, and Simon Eba, when I know them, but when I don't know the sponsor of Fulani herdsmen, Nigerian politicians, what do they tell me? When I don't know the sponsor of Fulani herdsmen since 2009, where they slaughter Christians, and you people couldn't do anything. Even this Governor Peter Mba, you couldn't take any action. Even right now, as I'm talking to you right now, there is fire on the mountain in Enugu State, Ayamufi. As I'm talking to you, if you have anybody here in Ayamufi, call that person on phone. Ayamufi is close to that village where Fulani people go attack. in Ebony State. If you have anybody in your movie, call them on phone, ask them this thing why they talk now. If that person go tell you now what they talk is truth. There is fire on the mountain since, and the Enugu State governor, no one do anything. You no one do anything. I don't know. Governor Francis, I'm telling you right now to take action for this thing that happened in Ebony State. Don't feel less concerned. Don't feel I don't care. You need to take action. Speak by your word to condemn what Fulani people do to your people. All the one I cover, na pretend, I condemn it, blah blah blah. Because you people know now, the Fulani people they sponsor them now. Then you people know the truth. You people know the truth. For the Islamization now, who are the people who want to Islamize this nation? They are the people that are on top. Yes, and you politicians know the truth. When I no go talk, when I do cover. Shame to you people. Shame to you people. Shame to you people. You Nigerian politicians. There is no power. You people are a disgrace to this generation. You people are a disgrace to this generation. You people cannot even speak for the people where when they say when they governor. Now money where when they after money. We'll let cap go to Abuja, go represent Igbo people. That is the only thing that you people pass. Now go again, now after governor, go to your office, cable senator or cable president. That's the only thing is hungering you people. You people don't care for the people. When I want time for the people when I governor. When I want time. You don't mind ego. Governor Pitamba, go to your movie. You go see what is happening in that place. Go to that place, you will see. And the governor Francis, you need to take any action. As I want to land this video up right now, I want to stop this video. Governor Francis, you need to take action to condemn this thing, to stand, to condemn them. Both people where they sponsor that Fulani people, you need to speak to condemn them. You need to take action immediately to stop them. Not only if I want to fight IPOP people, when I go get strength to fight them, to pursue them, to scatter them. Look at what is happening in Imo State. Even in here, all these places. Under the name, they are fighting biafra IPOP. Then go they burning innocent houses, killing innocent youth, killing innocent Igbo youth under the name of they are looking for unknown government, they are looking for Biafra people. And all of you governors, we've seen all those things, and you people will pretend. If you say na IPOP or IPOP do any evil in that side then Ebony State, you will see how the jet fighter now go the bomb, boom, 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 boom. Federal government will send jet fight immediately. If you say na IPOP people do any attack in Ebony State, for by now, federal government will send jet fighter from Abuja. They go to burn innocent house, destroying everywhere, arresting innocent youth, burning all the presses under the name they are looking for IPOP people. But Fulani herdsmen, who are the people that are sponsoring them? Who? When I don't know. When I don't know. God go judge all of you politicians. But look at what happened. All of you go fear I don't care. And if the thing come now, in next 6 months or months now, then go come and do another one. Now so then they do. And the government don't go do them anything more. Even though if government arrest these Fulanis that slaughter people in Enugu, in Ebony State, 1 month, if they arrest them all, then go take them to Abuja. Now Nigeria where we there. If you say they arrest those people now, then go take them to Abuja. And if they're there for Abuja, under 1 month, then go release them, call them repentant Boko Haram. No more. No more. If the federal government release them, now you be governor will go come jail them. That is why you governors, you Eastern governors need to stand up for your people. You people are not slave. You people are not slave to Fulanis. You people are not slave to evil. Stand up to condemn what is evil. If you are not capable, resign as a governor of Enugu State. Resign as a governor of Ebony State. Go ahead, capable, you go no cha. On a money has Igbo innocent people. On a feel no, go to Mechiano, go to Haliku, or catch a governor of Enugu State. You are pretending you don't know what is happening. You don't want to talk, to be covering. May God have mercy upon you people. Let me end this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Make sure that you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you, and watch my next video. Thank you, and God bless you.